In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment in Notion. If you've been exploring how to effectively use Notion for collaborating on projects, understanding how to leave comments is crucial. Whether you're providing feedback, asking questions, or clarifying details, using comments helps streamline communication within your team and keeps everyone on the same page. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to Notion. Open up the application on your device or navigate to the Notion website using your preferred browser. Once you're there, find the specific page where you'd like to leave a comment. You might already have a document in mind, or you could simply practice with any page you have open. Just ensure you have the necessary permissions to leave comments on that page. Having the right access is important, as Notion's collaborative environment allows you to work alongside others while respecting their input and maintaining the integrity of shared information. Now, let's locate the text or image you want to comment on. Scan through your page until you find the relevant section or graphic. Maybe it's a key paragraph that needs clarification or an image that requires additional context. To take action, right-click the text or image. This will bring up a contextual menu, and from there, you'll see the option labeled Comment. Click on it. This is a straightforward process, but keep in mind that understanding how to access commenting features quickly can enhance your productivity in a collaborative setting. With the comment box now open, it's time to type in your comment. Think of this as your opportunity to share insights, suggest edits, or ask questions. Be concise but clear. A well-phrased comment can make all the difference when trying to communicate effectively with your team members. Remember, the goal is to contribute constructively to the conversation while helping drive the project forward. Take a moment to read over your comment to ensure it makes sense and captures exactly what you want to communicate. Engaging thoughtfully will earn you a reputation as a considerate and precise collaborator. Finally, you'll want to submit your comment so your colleagues can see it. Look for the send arrow, which is typically a blue arrow next to the comment box. Clicking this arrow will post your comment to the page. Once it's up, others with access to the page can see your input and respond accordingly, facilitating an ongoing dialogue that helps everyone stay synced. To wrap up our tutorial, it's worth mentioning that leaving comments in Notion not only enhances communication among team members, but also promotes a culture of openness and collaboration. By using comments effectively, you ensure that all participants are heard and that the project benefits from diverse perspectives. As you continue to work in Notion, feel free to explore other collaborative features and discover just how versatile this platform can be in supporting your work needs. Thank you for tuning in and happy commenting.